What the New York Times did is they purposefully, knowingly misled the entire country into believing that a petition that I filed on behalf of a client, not my petition, my client's petition, not Mr. Kennedy, he was not the client, a petition I've never spoke to him about ever, nor did my client, sought to eliminate the polio vaccine. That was the headline. And therefore, because I'm Mr. Kennedy's lawyer, in some instances, my firm has almost 80 people. We have lots of clients, including Mr. Kennedy, including many others. And because we filed this petition on behalf of a different client, nothing to do with him, that questioned one polio vaccine, by the way, and its licensure, and only as to children. I'll get into that. Somehow he wants to get rid of the polio vaccine. And they knew it was untrue when they published it for the following simple reason. First of all, and if they didn't know this, they're not fit to be a high school newspaper. Okay. One, the petition only sought review, and this was a petition to the FDA, only sought review as to one of 6 licensed polio vaccines, and only as to children. Why? What was the basis of the petition? Which, by the way, should have been the headline. This particular polio vaccine, licensed in 1990, not the Salk vaccine, it's not the Sabin vaccine, it's not the vaccine that you think of when you hear the polio vaccine, okay? This vaccine was based on a novel technology. You need to grow a virus in some kind of cultural medium. Here, they use something called vero cells. These are chromosomally modified monkey kidney cells that are rendered immortal, just like cancer cells. That means they'll grow forever, just like cancer cells. And they end up as an ingredient in every single vial. The clinical trial relied upon to license this brand new novel polio vaccine in 1990 reviewed safety for literally 3 days after injection. 3 days. That sounds incredible. That sounds like it cannot be true. But it is on the FDA website. On behalf of my client, we FOIA'd the FDA for all the clinical trial reports for the summary basis of approval. We tortured them for years, basically saying, come on, there's got to be more than this. You license it based on 3 days of safety review in the clinical trial after injection with no control group. There's no way you could know the safety of this product before you license it to be injected.
No control group.
There was no control.